First up, let us get that front seat out of the way. Next, we will tackle the rear fender. There are 7 screws to remove here. You'll find 2 screws connecting the front and rear fenders. 1 screw sits on top of the rear fender, plus 2 screws on each side of the rear fender. Now gently pull out the wiring harness from the back of the fender. Time to remove your factory tail light. Start by taking out the single screw on the left side of the bracket. Then, disconnect the tail light wiring harness. Remove the 2 screws holding the tail light in place. Carefully lift off the original tail light. Unbox your brand new tail light. Use the original screws to secure it firmly in place. Connect the wiring harness snugly. Turn on your vehicle to check if everything lights up properly. Once confirmed, reinstall the bracket step by step. Then put the rear fender back on. Finally, reposition your vehicle's seat.